Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today we are working with Supernova. We are reviewing their boho synthetic braided wig, you guys. This is, like I said, in the style boho. I must say, so far so good. Your girl love this hair. It is 36 inches as well. Now this is the inside of the cap. The construction comes with, just like the other wig, comes with 3 combs, one at the back of the neck, 2 on the side. You also get your adjustable band as well as an elastic band, and it does have that adhesive on it so it can keep your wig in place for you as well. And it is good to go, y'all. But it does come with baby hairs as well, and it does come with little hairs, y'all. This wig feels so good, and it's light too. Surprisingly, with all the hair that's on this wig, it's actually really light. Right now I'm just adjusting the straps and the band. All right, y'all, so this is what the wig is giving on my head, and this is without me gluing it down or doing anything to it. The baby hairs is baby hair, y'all. I love it. Wear it to the side, wear it up. Anyway, I'm going to put at least 2 to 3 coats of glue, and I'll be back once I am done with that part. All right, so I did go in with my boho glue. Like I said, I did do 3 layers of this glue, and I like to use this glue for long lasting applications. As I did end up putting makeup on the lace because we want it to look like scalp and all the things. We want it to look natural. So yes, this is a step that is needed in order to give the effect of it being scalp or natural. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna put this band on for about 30 minutes and then take it off, and then we'll be good to go. Trusted, I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. Is blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really want to know you all. I really want to show you off. So with this wig and the baby hairs, y'all, it's a little thick. I don't like my baby hairs too thick, a little crazy. So what I'm going to do, but if you prefer thicker baby hairs, by all means, just go ahead and style it as it is. But what I'm going to do, well, my size, I'm definitely going to leave it just like that. But yeah, my size are fine. But up here, I just want it really thin, like barely there. Really natural. So I'm going to just go in and take my hand and just pluck it with my fingers. If you have a tweezer and you prefer to do that, that's fine. But I just rather go in and just pull them out with my hands, because I don't know why, but I feel like doing it with my hand, I always get more of a natural look. I did this with the bigger braids. I don't know if I showed you guys, but I'll put a picture like right over here somewhere, show y'all that. But I'm just going for that look that I had with those baby hairs in the front. It looks so good, y'all. It looked like it was actually coming out my scalp, and I was like, okay, yeah, that's what we're going for. But as you guys can see, that's what I'm going for right there. Look good. And I'm not cutting it with scissors like straight across, because I don't know why scissors just make it look, So if you're like me and you want that natural look, y'all, I prefer just pulling it with your fingers. It gives it more so of like a rigged edge, if that makes sense. So yeah. All right, y'all, so this is the finishing look of the braids, you guys. This wig is so cute. So like I said, I like the big baby hairs on the side. I just don't like it too much on my forehead. But nonetheless, I told you guys all I did was pull the baby hairs away from the forehead to make it a little thinned out. But yeah, y'all, this is what it's giving. Put it up. Yeah, but put it on the side. Let's do this side. Looks so good, y'all. Oh God, I love me a good braided wig. Your girl ain't gotta worry about sitting in the chair, y'all. But I'll have this link probably on my TikTok shop, probably on my TikTok. So if you guys want to get this wig, definitely check out my TikTok. The link will definitely be there. And yeah. Yes, y'all, I'm so in love. Y'all, who's ready to be summertime pound with some braids that you ain't even gotta sit? I was in the chair. Oh, I love that. That looks so good. Anyway, yeah, y'all, loved it, love it, love it. Anywho, had to come and share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out my TikTok so that way you guys can get this look as well. See y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.